Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 162nd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Salesian parishes, Catholic villages, novitiate burnt in Manipur violence. Salesian Institute bags United Nations Development and Peace Award. 31 students start first year of philosophy. 140 youth from 14 districts attend 50-day vocational training. 250 youth hold Atma camp. The news in detail. India, Salesian parishes, Catholic villages, novitiate burnt in Manipur violence. This is Radio Salesian's third news report on Manipur violence. Father Santosh Mundu reports.
The ethnic, tribal and religious conflict which erupted in the northeastern state of Manipur on 3rd May 2023 has claimed 100 plus lives, 449 churches and 83 church institutions burned. Over 60,000 people displaced and are sheltered in 272 camps in 13 districts as of 15th June. Repercussions of it was felt in Salesian institutions in the state. First victim was Mary Immaculate Church in Game Village, Imphal, first Salesian presence in Manipur since 1956. The church, belonging to both warring factions, predominantly Hindu Meiteis and Kuki tribal Christians, was burned to ashes on 4th May 2023 by a mob. Second victim was the unoccupied novitiate building in Narayan village on the outskirts of state capital Imphal, where some 3,000 individuals gathered and set ablaze the entire vicinity on 3rd June morning, exactly a month since violence started. Earlier, on 15th May 2001, two Salesian priests, Father Raphael, the novice master, Father Andreas Kindo the Socius, and Brother Shinu, a regent, were shot dead by militant groups, compelling the closure of the novitiate. Third victim was Catholic church built by Salesian Bishop Denis at Kopibung Catholic village in Imphal. It was burned along with 44 homes by a mob on 12th June evening after a day-long battle. Luckily, all 295 villagers were fled to safety. Meanwhile, Salesian College Sonada alumnus and Apostle of Peace Salesian Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampil of Guwahati is constantly in touch with persons and events in Manipur and may return to Manipur for a third time.
Father Santosh Mundu reporting.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945.
India Salesian Institute bags United Nations Development and Peace Award. Father Leo Charles reports from Chennai.
The Executive Director and Director General of the United Nations Association for Development and Peace, Dr. Dominic F. Dixon, awarded Salesian Institute of Graphic Arts, SIGA, Polytechnic College, Chennai, for contributing to UN Sustainable Development Goals. The contributions have been to the 2 Sustainable Development Goals of the UN, no poverty and quality education. Dr. Dixon, a former student of SIGA, presented the certificate of recognition to the principal of SIGA Polytechnic College, Engineer Father P.T. Joseph, in the presence of the Rector Father Dominic Matthews, during the 3-day workshop on National Board of Accreditation and Self-Assessment Report Preparation by National Institute of Technical Teachers, Training and Research, Chennai.
Father Leo Charles reporting. Myanmar, 31 students start first year of philosophy. Father Dominic Ongko Mind reports from Anisakan.
Myanmar Vice Province Superior Father Bosco Nyinyi inaugurated the academic year 2023 to 2024 at the solemn Eucharistic celebration held in Don Bosco Philosophate on 12 June 2023. Father Bosco was surrounded by some Salesian professors of philosophy as well as formation personnel from other congregations. This academic year has 31 philosophy students, 4 from Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, 5 from Missionaries of St. Paul, 9 from the Order of Servants of Mary, and 13 young Salesians. In his homily, Father Bosco encouraged the Salesian professors to give their best to their students and thanked the formators from other congregations for their sincere trust in Salesian philosophical formation.
Father Dominic Ongko Mind reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Nepal, 140 youth from 14 districts attend 50-day vocational training. Father Augusti Pulikal reports from Kathmandu.
Some 140 students from 14 districts of Nepal participated in a 50-day summer vocational training program held at Don Bosco Technical Institute, Techo, Kathmandu. The 7th summer program for secondary education examination candidates started on 23rd April and ended with the graduation ceremony on 15th June 2023, presided over by Chief District Officer of Lalitpur. The director of the institute, Brother Philip Xavier, organized the training program along with personnel from 2 other Salesian centers in Kathmandu. Besides daily spoken English classes, the vocational training program consisted of 5 training courses: basic computer science, graphics and media, electrician, tailoring and beautician. The campers also had sessions on career guidance and personality development, along with talent shows, sports and picnics. Don Bosco Techo has been skilling youth since 2001.
Father Augusti Pulikal reporting. Papua New Guinea, 250 youth hold Adma camp. Victoria Ahe reports from Port Moresby.
Originally called 300 Youth for Mary, founded in 2008 by the late Salesian PNG pioneer Father Valeriano Barbero, this year's Adma Youth Camp had Strana team as the yeast in today's human family. From 25th to 28 May 2023, 268 students and facilitators took part in the ADMA, Association of Devotees of Mary Help of Christians Youth Camp. The sessions were aimed at teaching young people Christian virtues and patriotism. First day program consisted of Strana talk and taser prayer with time for confessions. The second day session had an Ignatian slant with the presentation on to be lay and to be yeast, being called to do more in the Magis way. Students from each school came up with their own initiative to animate the Marian group in the school and do outreach in the nearby community. A surprise bonus of the camp was the chance for the campus to visit the Marian exhibit of the shrine, which was inaugurated and blessed on the Solemnity of Mary Help of Christians on 24th May.
Victoria Ahi reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.